Hi everyone, it's Lavinia and welcome. In today's video, I want to share some cards that I've made, and this is for the open collab, which is the hashtag card showing 15 of month. And this is hosted by Alma Ticer. Her channel here on YouTube is at Alma Ticer 3737. It's also co-hosted by Maniac Grammy, and her channel here on YouTube is at Maniac Grammy's Homestead. I will link both of these ladies' channel in the description box. Definitely check out the hashtag. I believe that this is the second time I am posting a video. The first time, though, it wasn't on the 15th of the month. It was sort of in between because I was doing two collabs at once. So it happened to be like somewhere in between. But all you have to do is post a card or show a video on the 15th of each month of a card or cards, I suppose, that you made. So I'm actually going to be sharing 4 cards, 2 Christmas and 2 birthday cards. And I will actually be showing on, I think, the 17th. So on Sunday, I'll be doing a tutorial for another collab, the hashtag Make It With Me. So I'll show you how I created these, the style of these cards. So the first one is this, and this is a happy birthday card, and it opens like this. And this is actually one card that I'm going to be giving to one of our neighbors. It's his birthday. And again, I'll be showing a tutorial on how I made this card. But I added here one of the stamps from that I received in Happy Mail from JanetKay at Sunflowers and Crafts. He volunteers at a cat shelter. So I thought that that would be fun to put in there, and then we'll just write, happy birthday wishes here in this area. But I thought this is just a cute little card, the little cupcake on there, and then the cupcake liner, I colored that in blue, and then I have a couple little jimmies right here. And then just this little tag with this little purple twine. So that's one. And then the other birthday one is more landscape style. I'm not sure, I might decorate a little bit more over here. I have this birthday wishes with the jimmies, and then the cardstock paper here, and this one opens here, so there's a little bit more space to write, I suppose. And both of these, they will stand. Now I have my fan going, so they might fall a little bit over. You hear those wind chimes, but they do stand up. So I got those 2 birthday cards, and then the other 2 are Christmas cards. And this one also opens like this, so it's that landscape style. I like this vintagey color paper. I have a little scalloped die cut there, and then this is a sort of like a foam piece of sticker here, and then just some flat back gems. This is like a pale green, pale champagne, and I thought that those went nice with the this vintagey paper. So the stripes, and then this here. So that's that one there. And then this one is different. This one just opens like this. Also a landscape card, but I decided to make a diagonal. So still the same paper, but I cut this, in half, and then glued them down here to each point. And then with the center, I just added, the strip of this paper here and glued that down. Just a green circle just to tie in with a little bit of that greenish color here, and the vintage Santa and 2 flat back pearls over there. And so again, a nice simple card. And then I just glued down part of that candy cane stripe sort of paper just to tie in over here. So just a different type of card. So these are the cards that just wanted to share with you today. And again, it's the hashtag card showing 15 of month. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.